I say thanks for the things you have done for me. Things so one desire, yet to give, to prove your love for me. The voices of a million angels could not express my gratitude. All that I am and ever hope to be, I owe it all to you. To God be the glory. To God be the glory. To God be the glory for the things He had done. With His blood He has saved me. With His power He has raised me. To God be the glory for the things He had done. Just let me live my life. Let it be pleasing, Lord, to Thee. And if I get any praise, let it go